Yo, what's poppin', guys? So today is Friday, first Friday of the week. That's NFP day, basically, because today is 4th of April, first Friday of the month. Sorry, what did I even say? Today is first Friday of the month, so today is like NFP day. Sorry, I skipped. And I already took a trade on BTC already, USD. So take profit already got hit, but I'm just vlogging this right now. But take profit already got hit, so we're slowly inching up to break even before we focus on passing the proper count. So let me just show you guys real quick. First of all, I'm gonna show you guys the. Let me switch this. So first of all, I'm gonna show you guys the. Okay, so this is loading. This is loading. So I want to show you guys the analysis on Trading View. We can see, boom, it got smashed to the upside. Now this is my P&L for today. Where's that shit? We can see my P&L for today over here, right? So I did like $83. So we're slowly inching up to break even. So right now it's like 83. So we're at $9,883. So I think we're less than 1.5% to hit break even. And the funny part about this is, let me just switch this real quick, but that's all for today. Okay, so the funny part about Fundednext, I don't know why they do that, but I just emailed their support now. The funny part about Fundednext is that on BTC USD, you're only allowed to risk 0.5%. I don't know why is that though. I just emailed their support, so I'm definitely looking forward to their response about that. And the fact that I can only risk 0.5% on BTC is just like slowing down my progress, because I know on multiple occasions before I bought Fundednext proper account, I was doing the free trial on FTMO, and I know that in a matter of a week trading just BTC, I could get up to 10%, trading just BTC, risking 1% of my account. So sometimes 2 weeks, but they usually don't get up to 2 weeks, maybe 2 days in the second week, I'll be able to pass that. So but yeah, that's just the overall update for today. If any other trade opportunity comes up, I'll definitely take it. Today is NFP day, so there's going to be a lot of volatility in the market. If any other trade comes up, I'm definitely going to take it. So I think that's it pretty much for today. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. Good morning, guys. What's popping? Today is Saturday, so today was quite an interesting week because I started this week out in drawdowns, did some losses, had some losses, went down to like 4% or something like that. So went down to like negative 4% of my account. And I had to like switch things up a little bit and just trade solely BTC USD, because I had to like go back in time, check the 3 pairs that I traded and which one performs better for me relative to my strategy, and it was BTC, so I had to like stick to BTC and eliminate the rest. And the things kind of turned around, and I was able to like come out of, I wouldn't say fully come out of drawdown, but I'm now like less than negative 1.5% of my account. So I'm slowly inching up back to break even to before I now focus on passing the challenge. So it's quite an interesting week. There was a lot of progress, and I'm supremely grateful. And in a minute I'm going to show you guys my P&L for the week. But yesterday was P&L. I say P&L. So yesterday was NFP, and I took a trade in the morning, BTC trade in the morning, that ended up hitting take profit in the morning. But Then again, price, actually my strategy, my setup did actually form, but because of the way the market was kind of volatile, there was a lot of weeks. If I had taken that trade, I would have gone stopped out. So I didn't take that trade simply because I didn't see my entry criteria. So I had price formed sweetly, nicely the way I'd wanted to see it, but I didn't see my entry criteria. So I stayed out from the market. But even if I'd forced the trade, I would have gotten stopped out, and price actually did go in the direction that I anticipated it was going to go in. But then again, I didn't see my entry criteria. I didn't take the trade. So it was pretty much interesting. And let me see. Let me try to open this phone so I can show you guys my P&L for this week. Okay, so I'm just going to switch my camera right now. Okay, so as we can see, this is my P&L for the week basically. So oh my god, I think I have to like turn on my data right now. Okay, so as we can see, earlier this week I took a couple of losses, took one win. That was $100, couple of losses, win, couple of losses, win, blah blah blah. And overall I went down. I think last week I either ended last week with -1% in drawdown, and then opening this week I took like a couple of percentages in drawdown that took me down to 4%, and somehow we were able to recover all of that and even ended the week with $53. So that's pretty much interesting, and I'm genuinely looking forward to see what next week holds. But other than that, today, so what I'm going to basically do today is review my trades. I'm definitely not going to vlog that. I'm just going to do it privately, but the time will come when I'll show you guys how I review my trades. And basically the pair that I'm just going to be focusing now mostly on is BTC USD. So it's not going to take me a lot of time, mostly 30 minutes to an hour. I should be done reviewing the trades that I took this week. So I'm just going to do that this week. Today, I'm going to do that today. Trading wise, I think that's all. And the market is still open. If Fundednext allowed BTC to trade during the weekend, I would have been in a sell position. Let me see if I could show you guys. I would have been in a sell position that would have been nicely going in my direction. But unfortunately, Fundednext doesn't trade BTC throughout the weekend, so it's quite unfortunate. But I'm going to show you guys something real quick, so you guys will understand what I was talking about, like my analysis that I did yesterday. So I'm just going to switch my camera now in a bit just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. My network is pretty much slow. It's taking time to load on TradingView. I guess my network is slow. Let me see if I can turn off my Wi-Fi and turn off my airplane mode and bring it back on. Network is pretty much slow. But before that, let me just show you guys this on my MT. So we can see the market closed here yesterday, but if the market didn't close, I would have taken this trade from somewhere around here and held. Price should be somewhere around here right now. That's what I'm trying to show you guys on TradingView. So I would have taken this trade from somewhere around here yesterday, somewhere around here or here yesterday, and price is somewhere around here right now. So I would have still been in a nice sell and making sweet profit. But potentially price has the potential to go to the upside because it's actually retesting a support zone on H4 time frame. So there's a potential for price to go to the upside. Let me see if TradingView is going to open up right now. I think, okay, so shares done loading. I don't know about this. This is okay. So you guys can see what I was talking about, right? So the H4 time frame that I'm talking about in terms of support zone is this guy right here. I don't know if you guys can see this guy right here. Give me a minute so we can see this guy right here. This is the H4 support zone that I'm talking about, and price has the potential to go up, but I need to see something specific on 15 minutes time frame or 1 hour time frame to be able to exit this trade. That's if this trade was live, to exit my sell and continue on the buy side. So if I had taken this trade from yesterday, I would have been in a nice profit by now. But yeah, it is what it is. We'll continue on Monday. So guys, that's basically everything that played out this week. So y'all should expect like 2 videos from this week, because I think I did vlog other content. So I think that's it, and I'm just gonna go do other stuff. It's not trading related though, but trading wise, this is everything for now for this week, and we're definitely going to continue next week. But with all of that being said, I hope you guys have a nice weekend. Do well to take some time out to review your trades, spend time with family, spend time with yourself, and learn from your mistakes if you did make any mistakes, and all of those good stuffs. And with all of that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Be well, be safe, and may the market go with you.